Hello and good evening, everyone. This is me again, and tonight I'm about to talk again about NVAX Novavax stock. As we all maybe remembered, I already talked and called this stock 20 days ago with a price target of $2.50 and a stronghold with buy call. And honestly, the stock is meet all our expectation. The stock doing very great, acting on volume, relying on the all the market situation, downing when the market down, and optimizing up when the market on the good shape. A Novavax company and the NVAX stock is a very what we can say, the very stock, a very good stock with the volume numbers. So it always moved when the volume numbers crossing a certain amount of shares. So on Friday, we had 31 million shares per that day. We got $2.52 as the high price and $2.20 as the low price. And the day before, the stock closed around $2.16. And if we remembered all, I called the stocks around like $2.10 and it moved around $2.25. And then again, when the market down, I called it around $1.85, between $1.85 and 83. And honestly, it was a very great entry for this stock that time. For the people who like to swing trades, this calls already met all what we want about it. And uh, I'm talking now about the next. What is my expectation for the next 25 days? So first of all, let me remind you all, I'm uncertified technical analysis. I'm just an independent trader. I don't have any insider connection, any insider positions in this company, and I'm just doing my free research and try and like to share it with you all guys. And I just, as I said, like to share that information with you for free. So, uh, what's gonna happen on the next 2 up to 3 weeks with this stock? So my call for this stock for the next 20 days gonna be stronghold and buy. So what that mean? That mean if you already have that stock, if you didn't short it at $2.50 and you still hold it, or if you short it at $2.50, you get the profit, and then you're waiting for any next dip to be in and to try to ride it again for any next catalyze. The stock is really worth to hold it. I'm not saying there is a guarantee. There is a little bad memories with the Novavax company. If we back 1 year ago, we can see, or maybe more than 1 year ago, we all remembered the people who traded this stock like 14 or 15 months ago. It's always risky to sometimes to hold any stock, not this stock only, to hold any stock when it's about to announce any type of news. But what is there is a two type of signs, can be, we can say there is a good signs and there is a bad signs. Until now, within the last 3 months, honestly, the Novavax showed a very good signs of a trend, a very good appetite from investors to buy and trade that stock, a very good level from up to down, and they got some buy rate from other brokerage. So all I'm not saying all, but maybe we can say like 80 up to 85% of the investors, of the big investors, the big names, the big companies, they expecting a good news from their nano flu news. No one know and no one can guarantee. I'm saying again, I'm not you. There's no one can guarantee how the stock can move, how the stock will move. Just this is my own opinion. If we look at the whole chart, if we look at the 3 month chart, if we look at the 1 year chart, the stock right now is doing very good, is on the top we hit the high price on around like 11-12 months. And this stock, by the way, traded around like $8 up to $10 when it was around like 2016 and 2015. So I mean, it's not impossible for this stock to go back to try to trend again to high level. The market capitalization is a huge. The beta number is good. There is a little bit concern about the outstanding shares. They having so much outstanding shares, but still the insider level of trading it looks like fine. Their uh, their balance sheet looks fine. Their fundamental looks also good. It's not bad at all. So they're having a very good signs to move up with any good news. So we expecting news for nano flu news within maybe the next week or the week after. But I'm saying what's gonna happen that day, for sure no one knows. Let us always take the positive sign. Let us always keep the positive feeling about this stuff. So if the news coming good and everything's go right, my price target for the next 25 days is gonna be $5, and it's a stronghold and buy rate. Whenever the stock go down again to around $2.15, $2.10, between like $2.10, $2.15, and for this level, for this resistant level of price, for the $2.15 up to $2.20, it's a really good and really attractive area to buy this stock. And as I'm saying, you are free to buy, to hold, to sell, to do whatever is good for you, whatever is fit for your package, for your invest plan. But I'm saying that level of price could give you or could give the one who think to buy a good return. So the next 20 and 25 is going to be crucial for this stock. It's going to be very important for this stock to watch closely, to watch the volume, to watch the news especially, and to see how this company will keep the trend, this uptrend, for the next 25 days. So that was my call about MVEX, and actually I'm so happy that we met that expectation and did very great call. The other stock I'm talking about is gonna be my other one, and I hit the price target for it. It's ANTH, Antera Pharma. It's also part of the biotechnology and drugs. So this stock also moved on the last 5 days. It moved around like $1, and if you see on the 15, actually moving to around $1 and 89, and after markets they hit $1.90, which was my price target. And I called this stock when it was around $1.45, and my call still for this stock is buy and stronghold. You can buy whenever it's between I think the next resistance level gonna be $1.50 up to $1.65, and the other level could be $1.50 down to $1.45. So between those levels, these price levels, you can enter, and it's a very good entry, I guess. This company also waiting for the news, waiting for their phase 3 of their Salapora news. There is also no guarantee for any good news or bad news or whatever. I'm just saying the call is gonna be for the next 20 days, and my price target, I'm updating my price target right now, it's gonna be $2.10. It's gonna be $2.10 for the next 20 days for the ANTH. Let us move, and this is also one of a very attractive and very great stock. I'm talking about PTN. This company is, we can say, like one of the best company in this sector. It's also one of the healthcare, and it's with market capitalization around 100 million, 90 something dollar. It's a biotechnology and drugs. And this company for sure attract so many investors within the last 2-3 months, especially when it start to show a more corporation news. They made they sign very good deals with with the South Korea company, with the China company, and they have already their deal with the AMAG MAG company about improving their lead, their pipeline lead, the Bream. Actually, this stock is on a very good shape, and they also waiting to submit their NDA for their first product for sure to be in the market, and then after that they will wait for the FDA decision. So what's my call for this stock? Actually, it's a buy, and it's a strong buy. So it's a buy if you have the chance to get the stock between 90 cent and 94, and it's a strong buy if you can get it less than 90 cent. And what is my price target? It's gonna be $1.20 for the next 20 days. Thank you so much, and if you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. And by the way, I am announcing that I already opened my new website. It's gonna be a very good website. I will publish every day a new blogs about other stocks, about those stocks. And I wish you all to visit my website. Thank you and have a great weekend.